welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do this. I was thinking, why not show you all my hair routine? So, yeah. I don't normally do a middle part. Kind of like it, kind of don't. As you can tell, I'm sick. My voice, it's bad. It's bad. It's bad. I'm trying to open some junior mints because why not? Why did you take the mints? Like, I never had these before. They literally taste like Thin Mints. Amazing. So let's get on with the video. To get all this is very simple. So I'm gonna show you the products I use and how I use them. So I don't shampoo all the time, but when I do, so I shampoo like once a week or the next week. You know, you get it. So I use this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hairfish Curl and Shine Shampoo. I don't know. Yeah, I did use a different one before, but I'm trying this one out. So every time I go in the shower, I condition to get my curls really soft and nice. So I do the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restores Conditioner. So yeah, I do this because I want to grow my hair, and it does work. I didn't say it does grow my hair, because at the beginning of the school year, my hair was like, so my hair was like to here. Now it's to here, and it's like, since I've been using this, so when I'm in the shower, I like to use a brush. The brush I have in the shower is messy right now. I'm not gonna show that to y'all, but it's green and gray, and it's like really thick and gets through all this. So when I first get in the shower, I brush my hair with underwater, and then it smooths it all out, and then I put conditioner, and I washed the conditioner out as soon as I got done washing my body. Like, I put conditioner in, put it in the bud, and then wash my body, and then after washing my body, I rinse the conditioner out, and then you get out the shower. When I'm out the shower, I like scrunch my hair up in the towel so it doesn't get like super messy, and then I brush it out with this brush, this natural brush I used to brush it out after, so the products can get in all nice and smooth and undetangled. I only use one product in my hair, and it's this Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. Oh my god, this is my holy grail. I use it every time. Just like, this is what gets this. I hope that I wash it at a later time. Actually, it looks really cute today. Like, in the middle part, it looks really disgusting. I thought, like, I'm gonna need to wash my hair if I look like that. But if you get in the middle part, like, it changes. Like, not. So that was my quick and easy routine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a big old like down below, and subscribe and hit the bell right next to it. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Bye.